everything that has happened was something that had been anticipated. Only the timelines have changed. So, as from the Indian perspective, we were anticipating a Taliban takeover of Afghanistan. We were concerned about how the terrorist activity from Afghanistan could overflow into India. And so, to that extent, our contingency planning had been ongoing, and we are prepared for that. Yes, the timelines have certainly surprised us because we were anticipating this thing happening maybe a couple of months down the line, but it is pretty much the same. It is the same Taliban that was there 20 years ago. The news reports and reports from the expats who have come from there are all telling us the kind of activities that Taliban is into. All that has happened is that the partners have now changed. It's the same Taliban with different partners. How does it affect the Indo-Pacific region? I think Indo-Pacific is in a different plane altogether. Dealing with Afghanistan and Taliban and terrorism from that perspective is something which we are all together fighting the global war on terrorism. There is something which was announced anywhere in the region because it's not just a northern neighbor, even a western neighbor has these nuclear weapon systems. So we are surrounded by two neighbors which are armed with these strategic weapons. And therefore we are evolving our strategies accordingly. And let me tell you that it is with this, studying this intent of our neighbors that we've gone in for a triad, and now we have a triad. So we are also evolving and developing our capabilities accordingly. And so we are evolving, and I think we are studying this very carefully. Should not be major concern because, as I said, these are weapons of deterrence. These will only come into being if your conventional deterrence fails. So I think conventionally we are very strong. So we are quite capable of dealing with the adversaries with our conventional forces. So I mean, they would go into the strategic domain only if they find that their conventional deterrence against us is failing. So that I think is a next level which does concern us, but as of now we are quite confident of dealing with both the adversaries.
আপুনি চাই আছে ৰিপৰ্টাৰ অসম।